Hello everyone, it's Lupe from Bruno Planning Co. I wanted to do a really quick unboxing of my Erin Condren fall surprise box. I'm really excited to go over it because, like I've been saying in most of my videos now, I've been waiting to unbox any of my boxes for about a week. So I've had this for about a week already and just haven't opened it. So avoiding spoilers has been kind of hard. I might have seen a couple of things accidentally, but still really excited to go ahead and open it. And as you can see, I didn't order anything with my box, so it did just ship like this. So it is going to be a little bit dirty. There's going to be tape on it. If you do order something with your surprise box, then you get it in a much bigger box. So this one is more so like protected. I do love using the boxes for organization, for storing different things, and they're always so pretty. And again, they're reversible. So I'll definitely be reversing this one. I think the pumpkins are really cute for fall, but I don't know. I'm not really a pumpkin fan, like in terms of fall decoration. I don't know why. It's cute, but it's not something that I like to gravitate towards. This is a beautiful fall color. I love this one so much. So on the top it says the secret ingredient is love. All right, so we have our little card. I'm sure it tells us what's inside, so I'm not going to look at it just yet. Okay, at a glance, I'm loving a lot of what I'm seeing. I see some mid-century circles and some more of this really beautiful kind of purpley maroon color. And actually, yeah, let me describe what that is. It's almost purple, but more so maroon. I don't know. Is there like a color for it? Maybe you all can tell me in the comments what color you think it more looks like. I'm not 100% sure. All right, so the first thing is a pen holder clip. So I do have a couple of these and I can show you what the other one looks like, but this one has the EC asterisk on it, which is really cute. So I can try it on my daily duo from the last 6 months. So I just go like this. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. Now, the one thing about these though is that they are kind of small, so I don't know if it's gonna fit my Pentel. Oh, it will. All right, I spoke way too soon. That was perfect. Okay, I'm totally gonna be using this. I actually was thinking about getting something like this, or at least using the ones that I have for my teacher planner. I have these from Erin Condren, and so you can see they're very similar. These just don't have this really pretty asterisk, but I'm loving this. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I have to remember to take that down with me so I can put it on my teacher planner. All right, and then it looks like we have some really gorgeous fall stickers. Again, I do like these pumpkins though. These are kind of cute. I could definitely use these for my September spread. I actually just did that, but I could go back and add some. You have some more quotes like mindful and grateful and thankful. I could definitely use these for November as well. I love those colors. And then we have some flags. I'm definitely loving the color scheme here. All the little purples and like light teals and very pastel-y. I love this. I want to see what these say over here. It says enjoy the moment, so much fun, joy and cheer, and love this. Let me know in the comments how you use these circle ones. I know we've seen them in some of the sticker books from this year, but I haven't found the best way to use some of them. I feel like they're kind of small to write in here. I don't know, but like for example, for enjoy the moment, like what would you put in here? Maybe like something you did that day, like really short. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it. There's some of the other ones that I have that are circles like this. It doesn't seem like they're big enough, but maybe I just have to start using them more and then I can figure out a way to use them. But I'll definitely be using most of those this fall. And then it looks like we have a little petite planner. It says a holiday petite planner. Ooh, the cover is really pretty. I said the cover was pretty, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So it's this nice like dark blackish color, or maybe very dark or gray kind of charcoal color, and then this gold foil. Oh my gosh, it's definitely giving me like holiday vibes and Christmas vibes, which is fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Oh, so excited for the holidays, and hopefully we can all be with our families this year a little bit more than we were last year, which makes it even more exciting for me. All right, so how to use this petite planner. Checking in before we join. Okay, I'm not gonna read all of this stuff, but I will read it later. Again, I want to try to keep this somewhat short. I'm looking forward to most this season, so just checking in, priorities, a calendar, interesting, this month's to-dos, traditions. You can put your family traditions, this month's decor. Oh, I love this. You can pre-plan your decor. Oh my gosh, I will definitely do that. Ooh, I love this shopping list for holiday cooking. Ooh, that's great. So you use this for Thanksgiving or Christmas, both. Then you get another month. This month's decor. Oh my gosh, how many months do we have in here? I don't know how many months we have. Maybe it gives you 3 months. It looks like you get 3 months. So maybe October, November, and December in terms of holidays, or maybe you can include January in here for holidays. I'm not sure, but they do give you 3 months worth of planning, which is interesting. And then looking back, which is really great because you can just kind of use this as a memory keeper for the holiday season. Ooh, a budget tracker. That's a good one for the holiday. Definitely got to do that. Holiday card planning, card list. Oh, this is wonderful. And the gift planners in the back. Definitely need to do that. Ooh, group gift tracker. That's a good one too. A gift wish list. I need to start filling this out for my husband, I think. My birthday's on the 31st of December, so it's very, very close to Christmas as well. So I can add some birthday gifts in there as well. Gifts to order. Oh my gosh, I love that too, especially when you're planning really early. This is really amazing for a planner during the holidays because there is definitely a lot going on during the holidays they have to keep track of. I also like to do a lot of my gift shopping like during Black Friday and that kind of time. So this definitely helps in keeping all that organized. Love this so much. I know a lot of us will be able to use this. So far so good with this box. I'm really excited. A tea towel. Oh, in the mid-century circles. What does it say? The secret ingredient is love. Oh, I do love that love is kind of the theme of the fall surprise box. Again, just because I feel like last year, you know, with the holidays, at least I didn't get together with my families at all. My family or my husband's family, we were all kind of remote and FaceTime and things like that. So definitely this year we're celebrating a love and that we can be a little bit closer together. So that's really great. So to be quite honest, I don't know what a tea towel is supposed to be used for. So if you want to let me know very nicely in the comments what you use a tea towel for, then definitely do that. But I don't necessarily know. It's very nice though. It's a very nice quality. It's actually a lot bigger than I had imagined when it was folded. So it says it's 21 inches by 28 inches. So again, pretty big. And I love the color. I mean, I would love to have this in my kitchen. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Not quite sure how I would use it, but I think it's really gorgeous, even as like a decoration piece. All right. So the next thing is these little muffin cups, I believe. So these little cupcake cups, actually. These are very pretty. So they're in the same theme as the box. So I don't know how many we have in here. I don't think it's said. I could look a little bit later, but these are super cute. I mean, I definitely will be using these during the holiday season. I definitely want to make some cupcakes. So if you're not a baker, I don't know what you would use these, but you could probably use them for some arts and crafts if you would like, or maybe just gift them to someone who likes to bake because they're very, very pretty. All right. And it looks like we have some new writing utensils. I haven't seen these on EC website, so I don't know if they're new, but they almost remind me of like the Statler pens. Let's see what these look like. Oh, so they look like markers. Ooh, I just wrote on my finger and look at how shimmery that is. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. Let me get a notepad. All right, so the first thing I was able to grab was my little sticky notes here, but wow, that was shimmery on my finger. Look how shimmery that is. All right, let's see. Whoa. Okay, very, very inky. It doesn't look as shimmery on here as it does on my finger, actually. Let's try it again. So let's see. Ooh, I like this though. I love the color. Very inky. Okay. I want to see if I write on here, if you can see it real nice. Yeah. To do. I like that. This is more of like a pinkish color. And then let's look at the silver one. All right, let's look. So same kind of thickness, still shimmery on my finger. It's very shimmery. I have a feeling these would look great on a black notebook. These are really interesting, really pretty, really bold. So I would use these for like headers in my notebook, just something that you want to bold in your planner. I think I like the pink one better just because it's a little bit hard to see the gray one. It's shiny for sure, but then when it's not shiny, it's a little bit harder to see than the pink one. So I find I'll probably be using the pink one a little bit more. But I think the colors are really great additions and they fit really well with the box color. This is a absolutely beautiful cover. So the foil is more, so it's not, well, is it rose gold? It's a little bit, yeah, I think it's a rose gold foil on this cover. So this looks like it's the 7x9 cover. So it'll fit the 7x9 Life Planner. And on the inside, you have this really beautiful gray with the nice kind of blush flower design. So just like we're used to, the back is very similar to the front. This is definitely very, very fall-y. I kind of wish that they would have given us the A5 size cover just because I just bought the A5 spiral. So I would have loved to have that cover on there, but this can definitely be used for some of my notebooks that are 7x9. $4.99. Just so pretty. Okay, so this is a cupcake gifting set. So I didn't know that before when I just saw the cupcake holders or the cupcake liners. So it comes with 2 boxes, so 12 cupcake liners, that's what we have here, and then 2 trays to hold 6 cupcakes. Ooh, you know what? This is absolutely amazing. I think I'm gonna make some cupcakes for my coworkers, and I can bring them in this really beautiful box. Okay, so let me just take this off really quickly. So, okay, so you have your little cupcake holders, and you get 2 boxes with this really beautiful mid-century circle. So I'm loving this as someone who likes to bake. If you don't like to bake, again, I think it's a great thing to gift. It's so pretty, and baking is such a big part of like my holidays and my family's holidays, especially with my in-laws, and I'm trying to make it more of kind of a tradition with me and my husband. So I'm loving that baking is part of the whole like theme of the holiday season. I love that so much. I think it really fits me really well. And the colors are absolutely gorgeous. They're colors that I definitely would gravitate towards. So I think this is the last thing actually, and it looks like some sort of folio in this really beautiful kind of glimmering or shining, maybe faux leather. Let's see. So the first thing that I noticed, which is a little bit unfortunate, is a little dented here. I don't know what that is from. I wonder if it was like on something. So that's kind of unfortunate, unless it's part of it. Oh, okay, it's part of it. It's part of the whole thing. So ignore that last little comment there. All right. Okay, so we did get kind of a sneak peek from the Erin Condren team about this item. So this is a notepad or a weekly notepad, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And I think I'm going to be bringing this to school. I think it's just the right size to go on my desk. But what I was talking about with the folding is because you can actually fold it. So you can fold it so it stands like this. And there you are. You have a nice little notepad or a standing notepad for your desk, which is great for me because I have kind of a limited space on my teacher desk. So having something that's like standing up like this is really great. And just like as an overview of my week, I would love that too. I love this a lot. And again, the colors are very much like me, kind of like the blush color, but it's also a little bit more neutral, and I think the shimmery parts of it is really pretty. The quality of this, by the way, feels really nice. It feels really sturdy. I was confused about the dents here, but that's definitely something that we need in order to flip it around. It is removable, so I'm sure that they'll have some sort of like refills for these. This might be a preview item and not an exclusive, so we'll get into that here in a second, but I love the colors here too. Again, very neutral, very much like my style. So overall, my first impressions of everything before we get into like which ones are previews and exclusives, I am loving this box. I think it might be one of my favorites, honestly. I love the colors. Yeah, I think this might be like my favorite box so far. All right, so let's see which ones are exclusives and which ones are not. So in this card, they usually tell us. So it looks like the tea towel is an exclusive. Okay. Oh, the raspberry and vanilla, they called it metallic marker duo, are a sneak peek. So those 2 markers are going to be sneak peeks. Interesting. I love how they called one of them vanilla. I thought it was more of like a platinum or something like that. The rose gold metal asterisk pen holder was also a sneak peek, and then the cover was an exclusive. Usually the covers for the life planners that we get or for the notebooks in the surprise boxes are usually exclusive, so that's not very surprising. The gift side is also an exclusive. That's again not very surprising. There's always a few things that are. The holiday petite planner is an exclusive. That's interesting. That's one of the things that was kind of spoiled for me just because a lot of people really liked it, and I think a lot of people who didn't get the box do want the planner or the holiday petite planner. So I'm wondering if, you know, with everyone really enjoying that product, if they'll bring that into the kind of regular lineup. But for now, it seems like it's just an exclusive. The stickers are usually exclusive, so that makes sense. And then the notepad, which is this large one here for your desk, looks like it's going to be a sneak peek. So that makes sense. So again, I'm sure that there's going to be refillables for these weeklies. So again, definitely one of my favorite boxes. I actually saw some people say they didn't like it, which always happens because we all like to do different things. You know, some of us maybe don't want to plan the holiday season. Maybe this planner doesn't really work for you, or the cupcakes, maybe you're not a baker. So the way that I like to think about these surprise boxes, because they are surprises, right? We don't know exactly what we're going to get. We have an idea. There might always be a cover. There's always going to be stickers. There's probably always going to be some sort of pens and or a little planner or a notebook, because this is a stationery shop, right? All of these things I know I will use because of organization and things that I like to use just in my day-to-day. But then there will be other things that might be a little bit different, right? They're not necessarily stationery related. If I don't use them, I know that they make great gifts because they're good quality. So it's always a gamble, and I think for this one, I'm definitely not disappointed at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video and just getting to see some of the things that are included in these boxes. In case you want to start trying some of the boxes, maybe for the winter surprise box, to me, they're always worth the cost, especially because you get free shipping. So if you did enjoy this video or if it helped you out in any way, I would love it for you to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.